Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Motherland. I'm Dr. Anshul. Today's video is about English grammar exercise, which is based on the two prepositions. While using them, many people often get confused. Are you one of them? What are those prepositions? I'll tell you in this video. So they are in or into. I'm sure many people get confused while using these two. Are you one of them? If you want to check it out, then don't miss this video. Don't skip it. It will hardly take a few minutes of yours, but definitely you will learn something. Okay, so let's start this video quickly. Here you will get a few sentences in the form of fill-ups, and I will give you the choice between in or into, and it's up to you. You will fill as per your choice, but don't worry, I will also tell you the correct answer with the valid reason. So before starting this exercise, you must know the difference. What is that? I've already made a separate video. If you have not watched that in versus into, then you must watch that. But here also I will tell you the basic difference, okay, side by side. So the first sentence is he is jumping blank the river. What do you think? What will be the correct answer? He is jumping in the river or he is jumping into the river? Can you tell me? Let me tell you when do we use in. So in indicates a position within something. Okay, it indicates the position within something. In that case you will use in, and it can denote a state or condition. For example, she is in a meeting, and it is often used with static location. Static means that you are not moving from one place to another. So in that case in is used, okay, to show the static location when you are not moving from one place to another place. All right, so he is jumping blank the river. So what will you use here? Here you will use into. Now you will think, when do we use into? Let me tell you. So first let me fill into here. So it will be into. Now you will think, when do we use into? Let me tell you, into suggests movement from one place to another place. Okay, in that case, when you are moving from one place to another place, we use into. Okay, so it can indicate a change or a state or transformation. Okay, so like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly, so that is a transformation from caterpillar to butterfly, and it is often used with dynamic actions. Okay, so when you are taking any action, so and there is a transfer from one place to another place, so in that case we use into. So it's very clear, he is jumping into the river. Why? Suppose he is here and this is river, so here you will see a movement from here to here, so that is showing a movement. That's why we'll use into, not in. You got it? Now let's take second sentence, that is they are playing blank the park. So in the park or into the park? So here what do you think? Correct answer will be, the correct answer here will be in. The reason I have already explained, but I will tell you again. The reason is that it indicates a position within something, okay, or it often used with static location. So this is showing static location. For example, this is he, okay, and this is park. So this is static location. He is in the park. So that's why in this way we'll use in, okay, not into. Let me erase this. Now next sentence. My father came blank my room. What do you think? What is the correct answer? So here again you have to think that there is a movement from one place to another place. Suppose he is father and this is your room. So my father came into my room. So there is a movement. So it's very clear that the correct answer will be into. Okay, my father came into my room. Okay, now let's take next sentence. The teacher is teaching blank the class. So what is the answer? What do you think? And what is the reason behind it? You must know. When you will start understanding the reason, then you be sure that you have got the grip, the command on grammar rules. Okay, so this is the way to understand grammar along with the rule. So the teacher is teaching blank the class. So here the correct answer will be in, right? Why in? As I already told you, we use in when we show the static location. So here this is a classroom, okay, and the teacher is teaching in the class. So she is already here in the class, static location. So in the class, okay. Now the next sentence, let's take, sorry for this. He swam blank the pool. So what will you use here? In or into? He swam in the pool or he swam into the pool. So here again you see it shows the state or condition of a person, or you can say static location. So he is in the pool. So that's why what will you use? You will use in here. Okay, he is in the pool. Let's take the next sentence. She walked blank the kitchen. So what do you think? She walked in the kitchen or she walked into the kitchen? Again you see whether there is movement or not. Yes, there is a movement. So she walked into the kitchen. So here we see a movement. So that's why what is the answer? Correct answer will be she walked into the kitchen. Okay, he walked into the kitchen. Now let's take next sentence. He is studying blank the room. So what do you think? I hope now you have understood and there won't be any mistake from your side. He is studying into the room or in the room. Again the same situation is there, that he is, it indicates a position within something, you can say, or static location. So he is in the room. So the person is already there in the room. So that's why it's very clear. The correct answer will be he is studying in the room. Okay. Now let's take next sentence. Next sentence. He poured water blank the jug. What do you think? What will be the correct answer? He poured water in the jug or he poured water into the jug? Here again let's check. Suppose there is a cup, okay, cup of water, and here water is being poured. Okay, so suppose there is a jug. Now you see, is there any movement? Yes, there is a movement. And what did I tell you? That when there is a movement of one thing from one place to another place, in that case we use into. So it's very clear. So he poured water into the jug. Simple, clear. Now let's take another example. He ran blank the room. I hope you have got your answer. So he ran into the room or he ran in the room? What will be the correct answer? Again you have to check, is there any movement or not? So you see, he ran, so he's running. Okay, from one place to another place, definitely there is a movement. Okay, so that's why we'll use into, not in. He ran into the room. You got it? Now the next sentence, she peeped blank the room. So peeped, what will you use? She peeped in the room or she peeped into the room? So here you see, first of all, you see peeping, like these are your eyes. Okay, and peeping is like seeing through. So here you see, suppose this is the door and somebody is peeping. So here, from here to here, your the movement of sight is there. Okay, so in that way, or commonly we use into with peep. So she peeped into the room, not in the room, into the room. So these are the answers of these statements, of these sentences which I have taken or which I have collected in this exercise based on in and into. I hope you have understood very well when to use in or when to use into. And I hope you will not do any mistake in future. So thank you for watching this. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button. And don't forget to like and share with whomsoever you want to share. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.